Alright, hi there. This is the short one. I'm going to talk about a few things. I've talked about this before. I've made a video, a long detailed video about this, right? But there's some guy who just doesn't, I'm not sure if he doesn't watch my videos or what, right? He knows himself. I'm going to send this video to him because he sent me some clips to edit, right? For his girlfriend and not even some clips. They were at the beach, right? And then I had to edit these clips to a short video, 1 minute, right? Anyone who knows me knows I kill those videos. 1 minute videos are my thing, right? I'm an expert, right? So I get into work with these videos, right? And then here's what I find. I don't have a thing to demonstrate this. All my devices are working right now. Here's a lens, right? Let's say I'm recording, right? I'm recording, you are the subject, right? This guy, here's what he's doing. He's shooting the subject, moving the camera, and then hiding the thing. And then in the next shot, coming out of the thing, showing the person here, right? Here's the problem. These things are nice now when you're getting into the industry, you're learning filmmaking, the transitions, it's all exciting. But it ruins the footage, man. It ruins the footage. You end up with like, maybe those were like 10 clips, right? Maybe there was a minute that was usable, right? I had to look for that minute, right? Out of all those videos that are always moving all the time. You know those tricks they teach there by TikTok and Reels and whatnot. Those ones, those filmmaking clips all the time. You don't have to do that, right? It's nice, it looks cool, right? But when you're telling a story, like if you have your girlfriend on, I wanna see, like if it's my girlfriend, I wanna have them in the frame for as long as possible. I'm not gonna be busy moving the camera away. Jesus, man. Dealing with this stuff, right? So this is an advice. Don't make videos for transitions, right? Transitions should be a way to enhance your story, but they shouldn't be the main thing that you're showing off in the video, right? We are veterans in the industry. Well, I'm not very known, but I'm very good with videos and editing, right? I think I'm the best, or one of the best in the whole world, right? So these things, they don't look right? Yeah, this is the video, right? Those things, they're good for practicing and whatnot, but if you want to make like a real video, right? Most of the time these videos, they're not saying anything, these videos. I used to make them. I'm not saying you shouldn't do it. I'm just saying there is a point where it's just too much. There is a point where it's just a video of transitions other than transitions being in the video to enhance the story, right? Try to avoid those things. All right, that is it. I kept it short. You know yourself, Jida. I told you about this thing. All right, that is it. Stop using those transitions. Do it, but make sure it enhances the story. Shouldn't be a 30-second clip with 15 seconds being a transition, right? If 30-second clip should have 3 seconds for the transition. Transition should be the main thing of your clip. The person or the subject or whatever the story is telling should be the main thing. Then we deal with transitions later. I've talked about this before. It ruins footage, and if you're not gonna use the footage you're not gonna edit it in a similar fashion in terms of how you shot it, it's gonna be a problem, right? If you wanna use it in future projects, right? We all for archiving, make sure you're able to reuse in different sort of projects and whatnot. You're not gonna be able to use your shots if all the time what you do with your shots. Try to avoid it. Alright, that's been it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.